So friends, now we are going to have complete overview of GSuite Google Drive. So let's start on the first thing first. As you can see on the screen, these are the features, these are the functions that we are going to cover in Google Drive. And so let's jump in quickly and see how they work. So first we are going to access Google Drive, how to access that. Then we are going to see a complete page overview of Google Drive. And then we'll be quickly moving to managing, sharing, and organizing folders, and so on. From your browser, when you are logged in your email page, there on the 9 dots you need to click, and then from there you need to select Google Drive. Let's click on it. So as soon as we click on the Google Drive page is going to open like this. And guys, this is the main page of Google Drive. On this page, if you see around, there are options like priority, my drive, shared with me, recents, share, start, or bin, and storage, and all this stuff. So priority option just give you visibility to uh, you know uh, have an overview of all the priority documents that you have here. Similar to that, if you'll go to my drive, whatsoever folder you have created, whatsoever file you have, my drive will be having view of all of them. Right here you can go ahead and create a number of folders you need, either by right clicking here and creating new folder, or by selecting any folder and then going there and right clicking there and creating new folder. You can do whatsoever you need to do that. Then you have this shared with me option here. If you'll click in, then you will be able to see all the documents that has been shared with you by various people. Then you have this option which is recent. So if you'll click on this, it will show you an overview of how many documents and which are the documents you have recently accessed. Now this is there is start option. If you'll click in here it will show you all the documents that are marked as a star. So as of now we haven't marked any document as a star document, so there is no document inside this. As soon as we will mark any document as a star, that will start appearing here. Let's see that. So I'm just going to mark this document as star. So for that I need to open this. So this is the document I have opened. I'm just going to mark this document as a star. Just right after this name of the sheet, you can see star option is there. So I'm just going to mark this document as a star, and then going back to Google Drive, and I'm just going to see if the document is there in the star option. And here we are. That sample sheet is now appearing in starred option. Now we have bin. So bin, guys, helps you to recover all the deleted files and folders if you have accidentally deleted something, and we will see how that works. Then you have storage. The storage size simply saying that 0 byte of 30 GB has been used. So this will keep on showing you that how much of space you have used from the total allocated space for your account. So as of now 30 GB account space has been allocated to this user, test user 2, and the user is using 0 byte of 30, because we just have few of the documents, 1 or 2 documents, and they consume really few MB of space. So now we have this new option. Once you click on new, you have option to create folders, file upload, folder upload, and then you have options to create files, right? Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, anything you wish to. So from here, guys, if you want to create any file format, it could be Sheets, could be Slide, could be Doc, you can just go ahead and create that. Just click on the any of the option and then go to blank document or from a template. So you can choose what kind of document you want to create, and you can choose you want that document to be blank and you want to work upon that on designing and formatting and everything, or you want to select some document from the template that is there, either provided by your company in the company tab, or or it could be kind of the default template provided by the Google, right? Then here we have some lines, some list view and grid view. So guys, what it does basically is that if you are there, so here you have option to change views, right? So if you click on here, the view of this page and the appearance of file is going to be changed like we did. Now this is appearing as a grid. Now we are going to see them as a view list. So as soon as you click there, now see all the files and folders you have, that those are appearing in a list view manner. If you again click there, then all the files and folders are going to appear in grid view manner. Okay, all right. So my favorite is list view, of course, because it gives you complete uh, file name, then everything that you wish to. And one important thing here I would just like to tell you about that, as soon as you launch the Google Drive for the first time, the getting started document will be there by default, and it is available by default from the Google. So you just need to click on this document, and you can see some of the instruction about Google Drive is already there. Not all, but of course some really handy tips and tricks, right? So you can go through this document or read it out, and this might be useful for you. Now we are going to see how to manage and share and organize folders. So guys, once you are on the Google Drive page, you can just go ahead and create, manage and share any folder you want to. So for example, I'm just going to create a folder with the name of Stay Safe and create it. So as you can see, I have just created a folder which is Stay Safe. Under this folder, now again I want to create some child folder. So I'll just right click on this folder and go there and select new folder. Stay home. Cool. So as you can see, I created a first folder which is Stay Safe, and then I created a folder under that parent folder which is Stay Home. So now I want to share this Stay Safe folder with all my folks. So what should I do? Just right click here and click on share button. As soon as you click on the share option, you would be taken to this pop-up window. From here you can type in the name of the folks that you want this document to share with, and you can put in some note here. You can define the permission, can organize, add and edit, or just can view this document. Sorry, can organize, add and edit, or just can view this folder. So I'll just go with this option, which is can organize, add and edit, and I'll say send. Now this folder has been sent with test user 1 as well, right? If you want that this stay home folder should be sent with some specific people, they should not be having access of stay home. They should not be having access of stay safe folder. So instead of giving permission to those users here on stay safe folder, you can just go there and right click on stay home folder, and you can define permission whatsoever you need to. Now let's talk about all other features which are there when you are right clicking on the folder. So as you can see guys, here you have see you can see open with connect more apps. So you can connect more apps here. You can open with you can open this folder with any other supported app that you have. Then you have get shareable link. So what is going to happen is, if you click on get shareable link, it is going to give you a link. Turn it on, and as you can see, shareable link is created, right? Anyone at Mill Education with this link can view. So you can choose this link, and you can share this link with anyone after copying the link. If you want to modify a little bit of permission stuff, like you want this link to be shared with anyone, not just the Mill Educations, then you can just click on sharing settings, and it will take to the defining permission page. And from here you can select any of the suitable sharing option which is applicable for you, and then you can say done, right? Now we have move to option. So this option you can use to move any of the folder under any of the folder that you have created already. So for example, I have created finance, IT, support, and HR kind of departments, but I don't want those all the folders to be appearing separately in the folder tree. I want them to be appear in just one folder, which could be support services. So I can just create one folder, support services, and I can move all the folders there. Let's see how to do that. So I'm just going to create a folder, support services, and I'm going to move this test India to support services. Okay, right click, move, select support services, and click on move. Cool. So that folder has been moved now to support services. We can do. Okay. Then you have option to mark any folder as start. Then you have option to rename it. You can change colors of the folder also if you want any folder to be kind of appearing something differently, or some important folder are there. If you have hundreds of folder and you don't want to go through all the folders and read out the name, you can just highlight them with some color if you want to. Okay, and accordingly we have search within the uh, folder option. So you can just go ahead and search within the folder what you would like to search for. Then you have uh, download option here. As soon as you click on download, the whole folder is going to be downloaded in the zip file format. And then you have remove. So once you click on remove, this folder is going to be deleted. Now let's see uh, how we can download and upload the folders if you want to do. Okay, so guys, for uploading or downloading folders from or to Google Drive, just can right click on the folder. For example, I'm just going to right click on stay safe folder, and I want this folder to be downloaded. All right, so just right click on the stay safe folder and click on download. As you can see, preparing for download, and this download is completed. Yeah, as soon as this download will be completed, this green check box will be highlighted there, and as you can see the download was completed there. You can go ahead and check your download folder. All right, so as you can see, I'm there in my download folder, and the folder we downloaded, stay safe, is there in the zipped file format. You just need to unzip it and use it. Similar to that, you can go ahead in the new option, click here, and then you choose folder upload. Okay, so I'm going to select any of the folder I wish to upload, and in my case I'm selecting this folder 1A and click upload. So guys, as you can see, the folder upload is completed and it is there in stay save folder because we selected this folder and under that we uploaded one a folder. All right. So this is how you upload folders. Then we have file upload option. You can click on file upload and similar to that, you can select any file and upload it, right? So now you can see the file is also uploaded. How can you create a file directly on the Google Drive? Let's see. So let's see, for example, if you want to create few files under important project. So just go there on the important project folder and right click either here, or you can right click in empty area and you can go ahead and create any document you wish to. So in my case, I'm going to create a blank document here. Okay. I have created a test document, and let's see now if the document is appearing under the important project folder. And here we are. Under the important project folder, we can see a test document, right? So this is how you create files. And if you want to share this file, just select this file and right click on it and go to share option, and you can choose whatsoever permission you need to, and you can modify the accessibility as well, how you want this file to be accessed to the recipient that you are going to send, and you can then click on done button. So on the Google Drive, for managing folder access permission or file access permission, you just need to select the appropriate folder or file you want and right click on this and click on share option, and from there you can choose what permission you want to assign to home, right? Just go on advanced option and there you can change the accessibility of this folder, like it should be published on public, or it should be something access to anyone with the link, or it should be just accessed within the email educations, or whatsoever you need to select, right? And you can, from here you can feed in the user's name to with whom you want this folder to be shared or the file to be shared, and you can select the permission type that you need to. As you can see, while we are working on permission stuff of the folder, we just have two options: can organize, add and edit, or can view. But let's see what permissions stuff are there. Let's see what permission properties are there for a file. So as soon as I click on a file, clicked on share, I'll just have this pop-up window. I'll again go to advanced option, and there I can see that if I'm putting in some username and going to define some permission sets, then I have three options here: can edit, can comment and can view. So this is just a little bit difference between sharing permission of folder and sharing permission stuff of file. So this is all about the sharing permission stuff. So now we are going to quickly jump to recover deleted folders or file, because discussing getting a started helper we have already discussed. All right, so for example, let's see guys, this was the important project folder and accidentally I deleted it. Continue. Right, so under my drive you can see this important project folder is no more there, it is deleted, right? To recover it, you just need to go in the bin folder, and from there you just need to select your folder you wish to restore and click on the restore button here, and the folder will be restored back. That's so easy and so cool. Alright folks, so this was all about Google Drive, and see you in the next video. So friends, hope this was informative for you and you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please write down in the comment box if you have any questions, suggestion or new content request. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to help us and help others. See you again in the next video. Till the time, happy learning.